Well guys, welcome back. We have the Dundalk Demolition Derby. Still in need of a haircut. Don't worry, it's coming. I just gotta wait till after Derby season. So, we have the in-car and we have the stands version of Dundalk. Now, I kind of talked about this in the aftermath, but I really like the Dundalk Demolition Derby. It's put on by the fair, but like they try really hard, and there's like no money there to win the show. I think it's like $300. Just go there, have fun, bring something stock. It's nobody that brings any cars there give a shit about any of their cars, and they don't really care about winning. They hit hard because it's a farm town. It's guys that just like to have fun. So we are here with our 87 Buick LeSabre on its third run. I ran it in Listool, I let Eddie borrow it for Barry, and I'm running it here. This car is hurt. 100% stock, factory bumpers, everything is bone stock. So, guess what? It caught on fire again. That is, every time I drive this car, it seems to catch on fire. I don't know if I drive it too hard. I don't know if I just love things catching on fire. But I had a fire extinguisher this time. No bear mace. So we get off to an early start, just having some fun, coming out to the middle of the ring. It's been a long time since I've had the column shifters. I think I ran an Avalon once with one of them. Little tour cell coming into the back of this H-body. It's already dead. Put it in park, start her back up, let's keep going. Now I don't have doubles, I don't have nothing on this thing. Column shifter, trying to straight shift it, keep the revs up so it doesn't die. This is a TBI 3.8, rear tires. That is a Mazda 929. When I was in high school, those 929s were some of the most luxurious cars in the world for like middle class people. I'm not middle class, that's why I definitely didn't own them, but I did date a girl that had a 929, leather interior, heated seats in like 94, 93. That was like a nice car. Here I am in like my 89 Mazda B2200 when I was 16. But 929s were like top of the line when I was a kid. But we're just out here in this H-body Buick LeSabre having some fun. Now Dundalk gets a big bowl to it, so as you can see I'm trying to climb out of the bowl and get some speed and coming out of the bowl, but as you dip back into it you can actually get quite a bit of speed. That is a Ford Focus, I believe. I think it's like a 2014. It might be a Fiesta, but I think it's a Focus. He ends up breaking himself on me right there. He hit me with his tire, and you can actually see his passenger tire fold way over. So you got to be careful hitting with the tires. That's a Honda Civic driving into the back of me there, an old Honda Civic. But that's what I do like about these H-bodies, is they have enough weight in the stock class to actually push cars around. I thought they were telling me I was on fire, but I was like, no, that's okay. That's pushing a camera. So you can tell this thing's got a bit of weight to it, and it's definitely not running right. Driver door, it happens, guys. Don't worry about it. I do not have 6 cylinders anymore. The spark plugs in this thing like to melt. So you can, but that was into the back of a Corolla, Honda Civic. I'm giving thumbs up to the guy. Good shot, you got the tire. Just trying to keep this thing alive and keep moving. So I would like to go to where I catch on fire in the other video. So things keep dying on me, so I'm trying to find neutral with the column shifter, fire back up, keep going, foot to the floor. H-body's never gonna beat a Camry, especially in stock class with factory bumpers. He's got a Mazda 3 bumper though. So I'm trying just to keep the speed up. This thing's unhappy. Back shot. The back of this H-body did actually impress me quite a bit. I thought it'd be a lot weaker than this. Like I'm used to like your average 80s and 90s GM's back ends. And the H-body did hold up really good. Now, I don't know if it's how I pre-notched it or the fact that Eddie used a loader to really compact it and bury, but it's actually working out pretty good for this car. Just trying to keep the thing running. I think my foot is to the floor the entire time. I'm just spinning right here. Like, I'm able to push a Camry around, which I was happy with. I was very happy with pushing the Camry around. Still, we're all stuck in the bottom of the bowl here, so I like that. But the H-body looks like it is reading the back of that Camry. Can't climb out of the bowl. You see that? I'm trying to, but if you guys don't know what I mean, the sides are really tall, but the center of it is dipped really in. Coming around, getting some speed. That was a good shot. 45 on the back corner, hit the blocks. That's why I love Dundalk. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Let's go back a few seconds there. So what a great shot. No fault of the driver here. I back up, he backs up. Ready? Look at this guy's trunk lid, okay? Watch it on my forehead, because I have a new scratch on my helmet. Ready? Can you guys see that? Can I zoom in on this? Speed, videos. No, I can't speed up. Look at that thing. That hit me in the face. This beautiful face took that to the face. No wonder why I look like this. Look how old and beat up I look. I got scars everywhere. But, gotta be careful, guys. Door shots happen. This right here was 100% an accident. It was just a circumstance where I backed up and he backed up. He didn't even see me there. But that corner of that trunk came right inside my car and hit my helmet. It happened so quick, guys. So quick. So I'm on fire here. They're trying to black flag me. Didn't really notice them. I seen them looking at me. Come across. Everybody's freaking out for some reason. I don't know why. Let's see if I can open the other video here. Where's the fire? I'm trying to do this all offline. Usually the videos are uploaded by now, so. Okay, ready? So here I come. They're trying to black flag me right now, because apparently I'm on fire right now, and I didn't notice, but coming along. Oh, there's a little fire. There's a little fire, yeah. That's a fire. Oh, what is this? That is a fire. Let's go back a bit so we can see that again. Here I come. Yeah. Yeah, see that? That's a fire. We should put some bear mace on that. I'm thinking so. So every time I've ran this car, it seems to catch on fire. So this, yeah, that's what I said. I did not have bear mace this time. But I keep getting sprayed in the face by fire extinguishers in this car. They do not taste good. They're making sure I'm not on fire anymore, making sure it's okay. So what happened is the bumper shock actually came into the transmission. That's the problem with these super undercoated cars. Oh, here I'm getting fire extinguished again.
What's on fire? What's on fire?
Just the engine. Don't worry about it. It's just the engine. Telling him no more fire extinguisher dust. That stuff sucks. So I'm just turning on my fuel pump again. Hopefully it refires, because this does have a mass airflow sensor, which is right on the intake. So that probably got filled with that fire extinguisher dust. So probably not going to be happy. I didn't think she was going to fire, but guess what? That 3.8 does not want to quit.
One more fire and I'm done.
One more fire. One more fire. I'm telling them. 2 fire rule. I love Dundalk. If you guys, you know what, every year I tell myself I'm not going to go to Dundalk, but then every year I go there and I have the funnest time. Nice! Got passenger tire. That's right. Got that passenger tire. I am foot to the floor, coming around, spin them around, miss that driver door. I know they're gonna DQ me again. But guess what? She called her quits. She called her quits. I had so much faith in this 3.8, and she just gave up on me. Like, I've done nothing but take care of you your entire life. I changed your oil like never. I put one new spark plug in you. I put water in you. I took you to meet your death. But no. Oh, no. So the mass airflow sensor was so gummed up with fire extinguisher dust, and I think it fell off, that the car would refire. But as soon as it got any load, the EFI system didn't know what it was doing. It's trying to go. I like this counter. Look at him. He's counting me. I already know he's counting me. Come on, refire, refire, refire! Refire, come on! Come on, you got this. You got this. It's a 3.8 on a loop line. You got this. She ain't gonna refire. I've done nothing but care and love for you, and you let me down, you 3.8. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Just trying to get some of the fire extinguisher dust out of my mouth there. But what do you guys think? Dundalk is one of those small local tracks that the payouts are horrible. It's kind of ran like an old fair board show. The rules are kind of super outdated, but one heck of a good time. Guys, leave a comment down below of the tracks that you like going to, and tell me why. I like Dundalk because it is old school. It's like, it's before my time. My first derby was in 07, 08, and honestly, this makes me feel like I'm derbying in like the 1990s. Yes, the cars are newer, but just the rules and how it's ran and stuff like that makes me feel like it's like a super farm town feel, you know what I mean? I don't know if it's coming across the way it feels to me, but that's just the way it feels. Leave a comment down below of what track you guys really like going to. And don't forget, this is not my merch, this is another derby driver. So a lot of the times when I go to fair boards and I see another derby driver selling merch, I'll buy their stuff. This guy right here, Cody, met him down in the Blizzard Bash, bought his merch. Got to support other drivers, guys. So thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. And Dundalk was a very fun derby. I had a great time there. And if you guys are in, I believe it's Labor Day weekend. No, it's the weekend after Labor Day. But if you're in Ontario, come on, check Dundalk. It's not a big show, but it's one heck of a fun show. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you back here later on Zach's Workshop.